welcome back to my channel. This is Nise again, back with another video. So today we're starting off with a deep cleansing pore strip for your nose. I see a lot of people asking like, hey, why is my makeup coming out like this? Because of my nose, it kind of looked like dried out and it just throws the whole look off. Well, this is what I do. I start off with these strips that take away blackheads and dead skin, and it takes away excessive oil. So do that, and then you can exfoliate too, and it'll make it so much better. Just trust me. Okay, so now you see me putting on just an orange shade for the transition shade, and then we're gonna go into like a burnt orange type of shade, and then we're just going to blend that upwards into the orange shade. It's just pretty simple. You just add little as you go. For beginners, that's how I learned. Just add little by little and blend in between, and that's all it really is. It's just blending. Now you see me adding a dark brown, like the darkest brown that's in the James Morphe palette. And now I'm cutting my crease with a white base by NYX. Now make sure you blend that out from the inside all the way out to the edges of where you want it to stop. Just be gentle as you are adding the concealer in. Now I'm adding a mustard orange onto my lid, and then I'm going to go in with just a nude and blend that in together, and then don't forget to blend the outer crease in your eye with the dark brown, and then go right back up under your eye at the bottom of your waterline and add some brown to make it a little smoky. And then I forgot, but you can add a black eyeliner, and that'll bring it in together. And the one I usually use is Absolute New York. And now I'm going in with the Jlarue Infamous shimmer shades. This is the gold one. I believe that shade is white gold. And now I'm using my NYX matte eyeliner. This is probably the best eyeliner. I would like to try the Sephora brand. I believe that one is pretty good too. I'm going in with two foundation shades by Maybelline, Superstay. I'll leave those shades and all of the other products I use down below. If you watch any of my other videos, I apply the darkest shade on my outer part of my face and then the lightest shade on the inside. And even if you do this just with foundation, it'll give it a natural glow. The concealer is by LA Girl Pro. I'll be using two different shades, and I'll put those down below too. But I usually use like a highlighted shade, a really bright shade, right up under my eye, and then up under that I put like a shade that's closest to my skin tone. That way when you blend it out, it'll blend just right. It won't be too bright going up under your cheeks. It'll just blend right in. And just so you guys know, I'll be coming with a few more things on my YouTube channel, like fashion and vlogs and all that stuff. I'm also recording my progress on my beauty room. Like, I have a few DIYs on that, and some are on my Tictok under therealcocorose if you're interested in that. All of a sudden I have gotten interested in fashion, like clothes and shoes and all that good stuff. I mean, I feel like it's a must when you're building your social medias and your YouTube, all that stuff. Like, it's a must. Like, it just goes hand in hand. So I've been looking around, shopping with Fashion Nova and, you know, Pretty Little Things. What is it, Boohoo? I think that's how you pronounce it. And then I've shopped with a few people that's local. And I'm also looking around on Amazon for stuff. And I want to get like a few more lights in my beauty room, like a lot of stuff. You know, my cart is filled up just like everybody else's. And just improve a lot of stuff. Like this lighting on this video is good, but it could be better. So I'm working on that right now. I also want to get into business tips and tricks. I have my own business also. I also like shades and clothes, jewelry. Yeah, and I think I can really help a lot of people out. Now I'm using a contour powder to bronze my face up a little bit. To be honest, I rushed in this video because I had an appointment and I didn't want to be late. It was actually for a class and I had to be there at a certain time. So I was kind of rushing and I didn't know what look to do, and I kind of freestyled a little bit. That's probably why I'm all over the place. I usually think my looks through before I do them, but this time I didn't. I just freestyled. I really want to get into fashion so bad. Like, I think I can pull it off, like, for real. Like, I be having so many looks in my mind, like, it's crazy, and I never actually put them out there. Or if I do get some fashionable looks, I just wear them out, but I don't ever take pictures. And I think I would do a great job, like, for real. Don't forget to line those lips, like, that brings it all together. You don't want a lip that's just one shade, like how Nicki Minaj used to wear just one shade. They used to be so ugly, and I used to try to go in MAC to get that same shade and be looking like Nicki Minaj, and I looked it crazy. Like, that was a no. It's a no. Don't do that. Just line your lips with a brown shade, a brown lip liner. And some people use brown eyeshadow to line their lips. Like, y'all would be surprised. I use brown liner or a brown foundation shade. Yes, it works. Use a stick foundation. Then use a wet sponge to pat in the transition powder. So I was a model for Kishona Nicole's ponytail class, and I'll link her stuff down below, like her Instagram and Facebook. And we have a tutorial coming soon. I'm gonna upload one on my page, and then she's gonna upload the full tutorial on her YouTube. Now, before we get into this outfit, I'm gonna tell y'all where I got it from. I got it from Chrysiahs Closet, and her website is Chrysihascloset.com. The outfit was perfect. It stretched, it was comfortable, it wasn't thin at all, it complimented my shape. It was good, it was perfect. Don't I look amazing in this? Like, go shop with her. Now, if I look good in it, you gonna look good in it. And that's on period, okay? I need some more lips. Yeah.